Ever felt that slight pang of anxiety when you think about actually accessing your investments? You've diligently put your money into Stashaway, watched it grow, hopefully, but now, life happens, and you need those funds. The question looms, how much is this going to cost me? Are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows, ready to eat into your hard-earned returns? Let's be honest, investment platforms can sometimes feel like a maze of fine print and confusing jargon. We're all looking for transparency, especially when it comes to withdrawing our money. Nobody wants to be surprised by unexpected charges. So, you're wondering about Stashaway's withdrawal fees, and that's exactly what we're going to break down today. First, the good news, Stashaway, in its core operations, does not charge any direct withdrawal fees. That's right, you can initiate a withdrawal without Stashaway itself taking a cut. This is a significant plus, as some platforms can hit you with a flat fee or a percentage-based charge for each withdrawal, eroding your returns. However, it's crucial to understand that while Stashaway doesn't charge a fee, there are potential external factors that might incur costs. These are typically related to the underlying financial institutions involved in the transaction. Let's consider the mechanics. When you request a withdrawal, Stashaway needs to liquidate your investments and transfer the funds to your designated bank account. This transfer often involves intermediary banks, especially for international transfers. And these banks? They might have their own fees. For instance, if you're withdrawing to a bank account in a different country, your bank or the intermediary banks involved in the SWIFT transfer could charge a fee. These fees are beyond Stashaway's control and vary depending on your bank and the destination country. Another potential cost comes from currency conversion, if applicable. If your Stashaway portfolio is in a different currency than your bank account, a currency exchange will take place. This exchange rate includes a spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling price of the currency. This spread is essentially a cost, though it's not a direct withdrawal fee. So, to summarize, Stashaway itself doesn't charge withdrawal fees. But be aware of potential bank transfer fees, particularly for international transfers and currency conversion spreads. To minimize these external costs, here are a few tips. Consolidate your withdrawals. Instead of multiple small withdrawals, try to withdraw larger sums less frequently. This can help reduce the impact of flat bank transfer fees. Use local bank accounts. If possible, use bank accounts in the same country as your Stashaway portfolio's base currency to avoid international transfer fees. Be aware of currency exchange rates, monitor exchange rates, and consider withdrawing when they are favorable. Understanding these nuances can save you money and ensure a smoother withdrawal process. Always check with your bank for their specific transfer fees and currency exchange rates to avoid any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.